So the client we're working for is running a self-storage business. You could probably hear in the background there's a railway line right next to us as well. Also, the self-storage unit is open 24 hours a day, so it's peace of mind for the neighbours that are backing onto the storage unit. So we're using the Birkdale Sound Shield Pro system. It's a 45mm tongue and groove board, and that's on DuraPost Magnelis posts.
The Sound Shield Pro that Birkdale offer is an acoustic style fencing. It's a really growing market. Birkdale put in the research to make for the decibel ratings and everything, and it's all there on paper, you know, all the data sheets are there.
So the timber we're using, the 45mm tongue and groove timber, is UC4 Scandinavian pressure treated redwood, and that's going to give a real long shelf life on this job.
The key advantages of a steel post over traditional products such as timber and concrete is it's stronger, it's straighter, it's faster to install, it's wind speed tested up to 110 miles an hour. On top of that, we've got the guarantee that he can give the customer, which is a direct guarantee with us, the manufacturers, of, in this instance, 15 years on the galvanised. If he'd gone for a powder coated finish, that would give him 25 years.
The installation of the acoustic fencing is quick and easy. They've got the slotted post and then the boards slot right in, which means that, you know, the contractors can get it done quick, the customers can get their fence up quick.
We believe in the journey right from when the client selects the fence. The client will speak to the installer will speak to the stockist will speak to Birkdale. Birkdale supports the installer.
We've had on-site support from Birkdale and DuraPost, and they've been brilliant. We've had 2 guys out that have supported us through the job. They've brought us what we need, when we need it, and we couldn't ask for more.